Our Master of Business Analytics isn't an ordinary analytics degree. It will provide you with the skills and knowledge to not just be an expert in maths and technology, but approach analytics with the strategic perspective of the business in mind. It is this component of business impact that clearly differentiates us from other degrees that are offered in stats or IT departments in many other universities around the world.
At Kearney, we recruit graduates from the Master of Business Analytics to help us build such capabilities for our clients. The upside of data analytics is that businesses can see the benefits. It leads to change and improvement and the ultimate goal of increased business growth. Whether it's predictive analytics, insight analytics, or optimization, the analysis of data to solve problems and help businesses make better, more informed decisions across varying domains is delivering competitive advantage for those investing in analytic capability. That's why demand for professionals possessing these skills is increasing at an exponential rate.
In contrast with the massive demand in the marketplace, the supply of graduates to satisfy that demand is unfortunately highly limited. Employers are looking for graduates who are trilinguists, who can speak the languages of maths, technology, and business. It is this demand from employers, as articulated by our Industry Advisory Board, that led Melbourne Business School to design a one-year intensive full-time program in business analytics.
The MBA allowed me to pivot into a role where I can both work on and manage data and analytics projects. After leaving the MBA, I joined L'Oreal as an analytics strategy and projects manager, and I work with L'Oreal to deliver value through analytics. This includes both financial value and other values such as sustainability. For example, one of the projects I'm working on is how to reduce CO2 emissions.
The lecturers were fantastic. So really for me, I think the main highlight there was the expertise of lecturers. So some of them were clearly, the top experts in their areas, whether it was negotiation, supply chain optimization, and those kind of other areas that we covered in the course. They were also incredibly approachable. So they were able to kind of really give you a lot of time to be able to say, hey, here's the stuff you need to scaffold your knowledge and to build you towards a higher level of expertise through the program.
The cohort was a hard-working group from a mix of academic backgrounds such as business, actuarial, computer science, engineering, as well as different levels of work experience. This made group projects a more rewarding experience because it was about how to make the most of everyone's unique perspective and skill set to deliver a much better outcome than you could deliver yourself.
I chose the Masters of Business Analytics at Melbourne Business School because I want to work as a data translator, someone who works at the intersection of business problem solving, technical expertise, and also the mathematical rigor to translate those problems into technical solutions. And for me, Melbourne Business School was the place to learn that and grow those skills in the Melbourne context.